Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Solana. The last 1 month has seen Solana rally up by 16%. Altcoins are currently popping slowly on a monthly time frame. We're seeing signs of life return back to the altcoin market. The $1 million question is, should we still be buying more Solana right now? Solana has dropped to as low as $92 over the last few weeks. We even saw Solana trading for as low as $62. Remember, Solana's all-time high came in January of 2025. Donald Trump was launching his meme coin on the network. Solana got to all-time highs of around $295. Since then, it's been tripped down to Goblin Town. Since then, we've seen Solana underperform. But right now, there's some light at the end of the tunnel. Solana is currently outperforming Bitcoin. We look at Solana's valuation against Bitcoin, Solana's valuation against Ethereum. We also look at Solana's market cap with news stories going around the market. Why are market participants bearish right now? Why are they expecting Solana to fall towards $80, maybe lower than that? Should we be buying Solana? We'll talk about that and more in this video. Let's get down to business. With Solana trading at the $92 level, it has a market cap of around $52.8 billion. Solana all-time high came in on the 19th of January 2025, so Solana trading for as high as $294. This Solana's valuation against the US dollar. In 2021, Solana had a time of his life, pumping towards $255. But since 2021, even though we have seen a pump in Solana, it's not been as crazy as the 2020-2021 pump. First, we saw Solana dumping from $250 down to as low as $8. We represented a 96% decline, which is a regular occurrence in the cryptocurrency market. That's if you're holding any random altcoins. It dumping 96% is actually nothing to write home about. That's just how the altcoin market go. Yeah, one of the most volatile markets in the world. You have a job right here, and that's the job of buying low and selling high, buying when the prices are down and selling when the prices are high. Now, if you follow that mantra, if you follow that doctrine, you saw Solana trading at the $8 level. You believe if you buy low, you will sell high. If you buy at cheap prices, you'll be able to sell at high prices, because over the next few years, we saw Solana rally back to new all-time highs, going to as high as $295, which meant Solana gave us a 3,300% pump to the upside in just under 2 years. That's how volatile altcoins can be. Solana has been one of the best performing altcoin since inception. But guys, since 2025, something has fundamentally changed for Solana. We have not seen this kind of big pumps for Solana. Solana has been caught in a range. We have been caught in a range from the $70 level to as high as the $290 level. Solana has not been able to rally past these key points over the last 3 years. Solana got into the $70 level, back to the $70 level in December of 2023. And since then, we have seen Solana rally towards $210, $250, even $290, straight back down to $92, straight back down to $270 or $250. And right now, we're seeing Solana consolidate around the $70 region to the $96 region. And a lot of market participants are getting very bearish. News stories going around the market is that Solana is bearish. It might see lower prices. Solana DApps revenue falls to 18 months low as Solana price reaches $80 retest. Right now, the vibes in the market is poor. Right now, the vibes in the market is nothing to write home about. We're seeing historic levels of extreme fear grip the cryptocurrency market. Market participants are scared to the teeth, expecting lower prices on every altcoins. They are not expecting altcoin season anytime soon. And this has been going on for the better half of 2026. We started 2026 on a very positive note. We even saw a little green return back to the cryptocurrency market in that period of time. Solana had a rally. That rally was actually a good rally. We took us Solana to as high as $150. But that was a good time to sell, because since then Solana has fallen by more than 50% from the $150 level. So the vibes down is because the price is down, and I expect when the price start going up in the coming days and coming weeks, we are going to see the vibes returning. Weakening on-chain activities and bearish derivative data suggests that a Solana price recovery will take longer than most investors anticipate. Solana derivative signals bearish sentiment as funding rate hits 0% and puts sell option trades as a premium. While Solana reads index volume, it faces stiff competition from Hyperliquid in perpetual contract sector. Solana native token SOL faced a 3-day 11% decline after peaking at $97 on Monday. Thursday moved down to $87. $87 triggered a 25 million leveraged long position being liquidated. The next few days, guys, I believe the bears are the ones that are going to get liquidated. Right now, the bulls are having their ass handed to them, with Solana trading just below $100. Are we going to see $80? Historically, when market participants already putting a price, expecting it to go lower than that, expecting to buy at that price, the market usually don't give us that price. I get the argument that maybe, just maybe, Solana is doing what we saw in early 2022, where we saw it first dump to Goblin Town after getting to new all-time highs. It was excitement in November of 2021 when Solana got to $250. We saw it dump around 70% down to the $77 level. We thought we were going down to Goblin Town, but then the relief rally came to deceive a lot of market participants. We saw Solana rallying up by 85% back to the $143 level before we eventually saw that big dump to Goblin Town. Now, one of my best case scenarios is that we'll still see a big dump to Goblin Town at some point in time in 2026. I still believe we'll see a relief rally before that dump to Goblin Town comes. So market participants argue that I've seen that relief rally already. I believe we can see Solana trading back at the $150 level. All things being equal, we really see Solana even get to as high as $200 at some point in time in 2026. Historically, when the crowd is saying sell, 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 we are going to lower prices, that's always been a good time to buy. I don't think this time is different. Anytime we see weak on-chain data, bearish derivative delay, bearish derivative delaying Solana price recovery has always led to a big pump in price. We saw it in 2022 where Solana was dumping to Goblin Town, FTX was collapsing, FTX had lost Solana, Solana's future was bleak, but historically that has proven to be a good time to buy. I don't think this time is different. Now I have to look at Solana's performance against Ethereum, the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market. All coins are having a great time over the last few weeks and the last few months. I believe they'll still continue having a great time. And in that environment, Solana might have a pop-up against Ethereum, where Solana is currently trading against Ethereum at the 0.042 ratio level. There's always that possibility that Solana could give us one big candle to the downside, losing value drastically against Ethereum. But I won't be shocked to see a relief rally. The relief rally can go up 30%, 40%. It can even go up as high as 50% to get a lot of market participants back into the market. You have to think about it like a game, guys. The market right now is bearish. The market will find a way to deceive most people back into the market. And what can deceive many people that are not in the market right now back into the market is us pumping to higher prices. Any pump we see right now might be faded. The initial phases of the pump is going to be faded by a lot of market participants. But then the higher we go, the more the rally looks real. And the exact point in time where the last bear has turned to a bull, that will be the time to sell your Solana, because that will be the time the dump to Goblin Town will begin. Right now, Solana is outperforming Bitcoin. Bitcoin king of the market. The last 1 month is just up 7.9%. Solana has gone up 16% over the last 1 month. And I don't expect Solana to stop there. I expect Solana to continue outperforming both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Right now, it's not outperforming Ethereum that much, but for Bitcoin, Solana is doing better than Bitcoin over the last 1 month. I will not expect that to stop. I will still expect seeing a lot of market participants to start flipping their Solana back into Bitcoin. And even though Solana might not set new all-time highs against Bitcoin, I will expect a substantial 30 to 40% rally over the next few days and the next few weeks. And for Solana's market cap, we could easily see it get Solana's market cap finally rally towards the $100 billion level. We have seen Solana's market cap get $100 billion. We have seen it also reject that $100 billion level. You never want to say never with the altcoin market. Way crazier things have happened in the altcoin market. You think that we can never rally high, and then in 4 weeks, and then in 3 weeks, you see us already in the moon. For Solana's market cap sitting around the $50 billion level, we have seen it cross that $100 billion region not once, not twice. But for us to get to new all-time highs, Solana's market cap needs to get to as high as $140+ billion. The most critical level to watch out for Solana's market cap is going to come in after that $80 billion level. Just as recent as January 2026, we got to the $80 billion level, we got rejected. The next rally should see Solana rallying past the $80 billion level. Maybe when we get to $100 billion, we get rejected. But one thing is sure, we're not going to dump straight down to Goblin Town in a straight line. There's going to be some rallies along the way. I believe we're getting very close to that rally that will see Solana pumping to higher prices. And on the flip side, good news, Solana lands MasterCard, Western Union on new dev platform. Solana is aiming to attract enterprise and financial institutions to its ecosystem through a new unified developer platform, which is focused on tokenization and stable coins. Solana's foundation has revealed it has secured MasterCard, WordPlay, and Western Union as early users of its newly launched developer platform as a part of ongoing effort to attract enterprises to build on its blockchain. Deep in the bear market is where the gains are made. Deep in the bear market, when there's extreme fear gripping the whole cryptocurrency market, that's where you want to be buying your altcoins. That's where you want to be buying Solana. So, guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Solana trades at $92 right now. How bullish are you on this token? How bullish are you on the altcoin market? Are you scooping up some Solana, expecting that big pump to end the year? Are you scooping up some Solana, expecting it to get towards $100, $200, maybe to new all-time highs? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.